Hello and welcome to online edu classes of Brilliant Public School by Kailash Kumar sir. Today in this video we are going to continue with our previous topic of class 5 English literature, chapter 10, Frankenstein's monster. Let's move ahead. I failed and I continued to fail with the passing of seasons. It would not wake up, yet I didn't give up. Right, children? So here Victor Frankenstein tried much, but many attempts he made, he was not successful in his attempt. He was failing all the time. The creature, the monster which he created, did not wake up because there was no life in it. So now the next intention of Victor Frankenstein was to give a life to that monster. So every night I became nervous. So it was so difficult for him that to give a life to that creature. I shunned my fellow creatures. I avoided my fellow creatures. Why did he avoid them? Because they used to challenge him that you can't feed life to this creature which he had made. So he was so much upset, but he didn't give up. In all these attempts, he always tried for the new possibilities. I grew alarmed at the wreck and I had become. So he was too much upset, he was too much disappointed, worried about his all these failures. My purpose was all I had to live for. My only purpose to live now was to give life to this creature. Now, this Victor Frankenstein's life's only intention was to give a life to this creature. It was on a dreary night of November that I watched the accomplishment of my toils. Dreary means dull. So it was a dull night of November that I watched the completion, effort, achievement of my toils. My candle was nearly burnt out, and by the glimmer of the half extinguished candlelight, I saw the dull yellow eyes of the creature open. Children, here in this picture, you can see that one person is holding a candlelight, a lantern in which very little light is coming from that. It is almost half extinguished in the sense it is half, only little light is coming from it, but it is not totally extinguished. So his candle light was nearly burnt out. That moment he saw the dull yellow eyes of the creature open. So now it was a very happy moment for him that he was proceeding towards his ambition to give life to that creature, and opening the eyes means it is a sign that he is succeeding in his attempts. It breathed hard and jerked its body. So there were certain sharp moments in his body when he started breathing. How could I describe my emotions at this catastrophe? So at this disaster, he could not describe his emotions. Why? He should be very happy at this moment, but why he is calling this as a disaster? Because I had taken such care to give him a pleasant form. But what I saw was watery yellow eyes, a shriveled complexion, and horrid black lips. Children, here Victor Frankenstein thought of making a creature of a good looking, a pleasant looking form, but when the creature got a life, he opened his eyes. His eyes were totally yellow and a shriveled complexion. Shriveled means dry and shrunken. There were many lines on the face, and that monster had horrid black lips. It was looking so horrible, so terrible, so scary, as you can see in the picture. Next, unable to stomach my creation, I rushed out of my room and tried to get some sleep. Children, here Victor Frankenstein is not believing on his creation. Actually, he intended to create a good living being, but due to his overexcitement, he created a monster. So when the monster got alive into it, he saw the very moment, and the next moment he left that room where he created that and tried to get some sleep. But he couldn't do that. My limbs convulsed, my teeth chattered by the dim yellow light of the moon. I saw the wretched creature. His eyes were fixed on me and jaws opened. The creature called Victor Frankenstein Pa. Children, my limbs convulsed means Victor Frankenstein is telling that the sight, the frightening sight, the frightful sight, the scary sight of that monster led him to shook his limbs, his hands. The hands automatically got twisted due to fear, due to scare. His teeth also chattered by the dim yellow light of the moon. He saw the wretched creature, the very ugly, the very horrible creature he saw. His eyes were fixed on Victor Frankenstein and jaws opened. Similarly, as you can see here in the picture, the first word which the monster called Victor Frankenstein was Pa. Why? Because he understood, the monster understood that he is the creator who created me, who gave me a life. So he is a father for me. I should treat him like a father. Next, we move on to our last page. I walked away, escaping the demonic corpse. Demonic corpse means evil, dead body, because the monster was comprised of, he was made by combining different parts of different dead bodies. That's why, in a short, that monster is called demonic corpse, a dead body, an evil dead body, to which Victor Frankenstein had given life. The monster creature shouted, "Don't leave, father." Victor Frankenstein asked to himself, "Did I abandon my duty as a father?" Abandon means to leave. Here, in this last slide of our video, Victor Frankenstein realized what mistake he committed. He understood the disaster of his creation. So now he thinks that I should leave him, I should go away from him. So he leaves him to that place and moves away from that place. But the very moment when the monster came to know that my creator, my father is leaving me and going away from me, he is abandoning me, he is leaving me alone here. So the monster creature shouted and said, "Don't leave, father, don't leave me alone here." So after leaving him there, after leaving the monster at that place, Victor returns to his own home, and there he realizes that he thinks to himself, he asks to himself that did I abandon my duty as a father? That did I leave my duty as a father? Should I have been given him more help? Should I have been given him more whatever things required for him? So this was the chapter, children. In this chapter we have very well studied about how hard work Victor Frankenstein has done in his university, in his college, and the reason for the creation of this being. But unknowingly, due to overexcitement, he created the monster, which was a big mistake for him. And the remaining part of the story you have very well understood in the first part. So this much for this chapter, children. I hope you all have understood the first part of the video and the second part of the video very well, and everything is clear to you. So let us end our video here. I wish you all a happy and safe learning, children. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.